Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to look at how you can insert horizontal line in Google Docs. I'm going to show you two quick ways, and the first one is, let's say I'm going to place my cursor over here, so I want to make horizontal line in between those sections. I'm going to click on Insert in this menu, and here I will select horizontal line. This is going to create this line, and now you have your sections separated by this horizontal line. The thing is that you can't customize this line, so I'm going to show you the second way, which is even better because you can change the thickness, you can change the color, you can change the style. So I'm going to remove this quickly. I will keep my cursor over here. I will go to Insert, Drawing, and we want to basically draw a new line. So I'm going to choose this line. You can draw it, but you can see you can't make it perfectly horizontal. So what you have to do, you want to press and hold shift on your keyboard, and now you can see you can make it by angles like this. So you have this 0 angle, which is perfectly horizontal. Now I can click on it, and you can change the color over here. So you can do yellow, you can change the thickness of it, you can change the style, you can also add arrows at the end of the line if you want. Then you can click on save and close, and it's going to paste this line into your document. Now, if you want to move this line, you can choose from those options. So you can do wrap text, you can break text. So I'm gonna do this one. Then you can click on here, fix position on page. And now with this option, you can move it around the document wherever you want. You can also change the margin. So if this is basically the space between the text and the line. So if I do 116, it's going to be a smaller margin. And whenever you want to change maybe the color, you can click on Edit Drawing. You can select it, change it to red, click on Save and Close, and this is how you can add this line in Google Docs. So this is going to be all for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.